A Bay Area nursing home is closing for good. Now at 6, the reason it's shutting down and what it means for the people who live and work there. Good evening, everyone. I'm Linda Hurtado.
And I'm Jamison Euler. Wendy and Brendan are off tonight. There are close to 400 beds at the Lakeshore Villas Healthcare Center in Lutz. But come August, the center will be closed and residents will have to find another place to live. John Thomas joins us live now there with the very latest on this developing story. John?
Well, Jamison, let me explain the facility to you right here. It's really kind of interesting because the entire facility is kind of a multi-tier facility. In the back, they have mobile homes. If you just want to retire, you go into the one of the mobile homes. If you find at one point, though, you need a little help, there's an assisted living facility, and it's basically right behind the gazebo there. But off to the right, behind the fountain, is the nursing home area. That is the area that is going to close, and residents have been given 30 days to get out. They closed the gates on us at the Lakeshore Villas Healthcare Center. Somewhat symbolic because on August 13th, they'll be shutting the doors at the nursing home.
It's been her home for 4.5 years.
For Peggy Bamford, that means her mother, Elsie Harsh, 94 years old, who has Alzheimer's and dementia, will have to move.
And suddenly somebody's going to tear you out, move your stuff, and put you in another facility. Good God, that's just awful.
The news came down in a letter dropped off in each resident's room. It's from ACA, the Agency for Healthcare Administration. The property has lost its Medicaid and Medicare funding. So with that money no longer coming in, Lakeshore Villas decided it can no longer operate the facility.
All of the friendships and relationships that they have established with the staff, with the other people, it's gone.
But how did things get this bad? Well, according to ACA, the facility has had problems complying with federal requirements and has been fined numerous times, one of which was back in April, where ACA says they were fined $16,000 for an incident last November where they failed to provide resuscitation to a resident who was found absent of vital signs. So Lakeshore Villas was told their license for their nursing home would not be renewed, which means close to 400 beds, a mixture of nursing, assisted living, and memory care beds, will be lost, leaving residents and their families to find their own way.
What do I hope happens? That this doesn't happen to another group of people.
So I got a press release from the facility, and in that press release right here, the CEO, David Vaughn, actually says he regrets that they were unable to resolve these issues. I also spoke to David Vaughn on the phone. He said also because they were not able to resolve these issues, between 200 and 300 people here are going to lose their job. John Thomas, ABC Action.